Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma. It features a 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear split bench seat, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a low tire pressure indicator, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, and power windows. Not to mention that this Toyota qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.